Calling all leaders in network marketing. Are you struggling to teach your team how to use social media to grow their network marketing businesses? Because what used to work simply doesn't work anymore. It's time to leverage a proven step by step system to teach your organization how to have people messaging them and practically begging for the chance to join the team, how to get highly qualified prospects reaching out to them. No more chasing people down to try to convince them to join. How to build a duplication system that attracts people. And how to create a system your team can use to swiftly duplicate. If this sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, then you'll want to stick around and watch this video. These methods work no matter what company you're with or what products you sell. It's all based on attracting people to you versus chasing after prospects and leads. And how do we do that? We do that by creating curiosity and developing a content creation and posting system that has our audience reaching out for more information. If you provide your audience with great content and value, if you're open and vulnerable with them, sharing what works and what doesn't work, you'll build an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. As you build this audience, you'll begin to see that they are reaching out to you. They're interacting and engaging with your content. They want to learn more about you and they want to do business with you. In fact, the moment you start following this proven step by step process, you'll be stunned at how easy it is to get high quality prospects reaching out to you. Oh, and did I mention that you can get access for free? But why should you listen to me? Hey, I'm Jen, and I've built in the network marketing industry for just over 29 years now. Initially, I built using old school methods, making a list of 100 names, calling your friends and family, hosting parties in people's homes at night. Don't get me wrong, these methods worked, and I built a solid, strong organization that's been my livelihood for the past 19 years. Back in 2012, though, things began to change. Network marketers were all over social media posting pics of their products and talking about their opportunity. It didn't matter what they posted, and they got sales and new business partners. But times have changed. What worked back then no longer works. As my team struggled to monetize social media, I realized that I needed to skill up. I needed to learn how to attract people on social media and duplicate with my team. My team, and I'm sure yours is the same, is looking to me to lead them and train them on what's working today. In my search to find what was working, I stumbled across a guy named Fernie Ceballos, the godfather of attraction marketing. And I made the decision to invest in learning the skills to become an attraction marketer. I know how long I searched for a solution, which is why I'm offering you an opportunity to get access to a free digital recruiting bootcamp for network marketers. It was created by Fernie himself. You'll have an opportunity to learn exactly what I learned and what other top leaders in the industry have learned. You'd actually be surprised. Just about everyone building successfully online worked with Fernie and his business partner, Tim. When I opted into the free 5-day digital bootcamp, that was the start to my journey of mastering new skills to become a new skill attraction marketer. If you'd like to do the same, all you need to do is click the link below and get the free bootcamp. But I'd also highly suggest checking out the Attraction Marketing Formula book as well. It's only $27, and if it transforms you and your business as much as it did me and my business, you can't go wrong. Click the link below to get instant access. As a leader in network marketing, I know you want your team to succeed. Since most companies teach people to just post about the products and the opportunity, it's challenging for our teams. They get confused on what to do and what to post. You, as the leader, have to create the systems and processes to propel them forward. If that's something you want to do, to learn how to successfully build online and have systems and processes in place to help your team duplicate, then you'll want to check out the free digital recruiting bootcamp that will teach you how to magnetically attract the ideal prospects and customers using very simple strategies. Click the link below and change the direction of your business.